Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll show you, step by step, how to redeem your Standard Chartered reward points. Redeeming your points allows you to enjoy rewards, gifts, or discounts for your loyalty. Let's get started. First, log into the Standard Chartered app or website. Use your account credentials to access your dashboard and rewards section. Next, navigate to the Rewards or SC Rewards section. Here, you'll find your available reward points and the catalog of items or offers you can redeem. Then, choose the reward you want. Browse through vouchers, gift cards, products, or services and select the one that interests you. After that, confirm the redemption. Check the points required for the reward, review the terms, and tap Redeem or Confirm to complete the process. Next, follow any additional instructions. Some rewards may require entering delivery details, email addresses, or confirmation codes. Provide the necessary information accurately. Finally, verify your redemption. Check your email or the app notification to confirm that your reward has been successfully processed. Keep any confirmation for reference. Quick tips. Keep track of your points' expiry dates to avoid losing them. Review the rewards catalog regularly, as offers may change. Make sure your account information is updated for smooth delivery of rewards. Redeeming Standard Chartered reward points is simple, convenient, and rewarding when you follow these steps carefully. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.